within one of Peregian's most community-focused and tightly held streets. This architecturally designed residence delivers an exceptional coastal lifestyle defined by light, privacy and effortless entertaining. Just a 3-minute walk from the sand and moments from Peregian Village.
Found a place that feels like home, baby. Finally found something true. Light pours through every room, pool shimmering in the sun. This is where we gather round, where the good times have begun. Welcome to the sanctuary, where the coast meets the sky. Stack of doors thrown open wide, watching summer days drift by. Long lunches by the water, barefoot on the stone. Peregian, Peregian, we finally found our home. Ooh, we finally found our home. Ooh, we finally found our home. Upstairs is our retreat, where the world just fades away. Kids and guests below.